Snug was actually in the original pitch,
Right.
and the idea was that I wanted to know that the villains are serious, and that if you get caught in their crossfire, there's going to be a price paid. So I had a friend, Snug Porter was his name, and he was a friend of Helen's from the old days, and the idea was that he took her to her missions. He was her pilot. That was the original idea.
For those superheroes who can't fly.
For those superheroes who can't fly and have to go to different parts of the world, you got to be, you got to be taken and dropped and all that stuff.
Snug, I'm calling in a solid, you owe me.
About time. What's it been? 15 years? I was starting to get comfortable. What do you need?
A jet. What can you get that's fast?
Let me think.
So for the longest time, Snug flew the plane. And the problem with Snug is that you had to introduce him. You couldn't kill him right off the bat because then you don't feel anything.
Right.
So then you had to commit to giving him screen time. And the more screen time you gave to him to make you care about him so that it was painful when he died, the more time you're eating up in the movie.
I haven't asked.
And I appreciate it.
Old friends don't need to.
No.
Because they trust each other.
That's right.
All those missions we flew, it's unspoken.
Absolutely.
Fly you to some curiously uncharted island without even wondering why.
You are true blue.
That's the kind of guy I am.
I love that about you.
Because I'd fly you anywhere.
I know you would.
Yeah, even if you weren't having marriage problems.
Snug!
Is it bad?
I don't know.
What's your instinct tell you?
Prepare for the worst.
Yeah, I'd trust it.
Fairly early on, it was suggested that you make Helen the pilot. In fact, I think that was John's suggestion, is make Helen, and I've thought of that, and no, I'm not going to make Helen the pilot because Helen can't die, and somebody's got to die and pay a price, and John would go, okay, it's your movie, batten up, but I'm telling you, and so I fought it, and pretty soon, just down in the editing room, I got to get it down, and I am looking for cuts, and I know, and it's the worst when you want something, but you just got no leg to stand on.
Right.
And it happened on Iron Giant too.
It did. It did.
There were certain things that I had to let go of that I didn't want to let go of, and for about a week, it's like expelling what are those painful things? And I've never had one. What are they?
Kidney stone.
Yeah. That's what it was like for me emotionally because I didn't want to let go of this. And, I know that I have to. And but once we got it out, it not only saved us screen time, which we needed for things that were more important, but it enabled us to make Helen the pilot, which I think amped up Missile Lock because now she's in charge of her family. And I'm very happy with that sequence.
One of the most intense sequences in the movie, I think.
Yeah, and I think
powerful.
that it wasn't, to be honest, it wasn't as intense when it was Snug.
Snug, right?
Yeah.
This is nuts. Somebody's going to hear about this. They shouldn't be conducting test shots. Island Tower, India Golf 909er transmitting on the blind guard. Disengage over, disengage. You think I'm not trying? Knock it off! Knock it off! India Golf 909ers Buddy Spike. Friendlies 5 miles south. Abort! Abort!
We need to do something!
But you have to put a force field around the plane.
But you said we weren't supposed to use our powers!
I know what I said. Listen to what I'm saying now.
Bravo! Disengage! Disengage!
Violet!
Abort! Abort! Women and children aboard! Say again, women and children aboard!
Put a field around us now!
I've never done one that big before!
Violet, do it now!
Abort! Abort! Abort!
tell you what we're not gonna do. We're not gonna panic, and we're not.
Look out! Whose idea was this anyway? We're dead! We're dead! Oh my god! We survived, but we're dead!
Stop it! We are not gonna die. Now both of you will get a grip, or so help me, I will ground you for a month. Understand?
What about the pilot?